Hello, everyone. It's great to have you here, ready to take a proactive step towards enhancing your digital security. Today, we're focusing on a crucial part of our online lives, our email accounts. Emails are more than just a way to communicate. They're central to our digital identity, linking us to various accounts and holding sensitive data. If compromised, the effects can be serious, from identity theft to financial loss. That's why it's essential to keep our emails secure. To help protect our emails, we'll explore HaveIBeenPwnd, for short, HIBP, a free tool that checks if your email has been in a data breach. A pwned email means it's been exposed, increasing your risk of cyber attacks. Here's how to use HIBP. Visit the HIBP website, simple and user-friendly. It's the first step to check your email's security. Enter your email address. HIBP respects your privacy, not storing any searched emails. Review the results. If your email has been compromised, HIBP will list where and when it happened. If you do find that your email has been compromised, you should change your password of that email immediately, and keep an eye out for any suspicious activity on your accounts. In another lesson, we will talk about why it is a good idea to use multiple email addresses for various digital needs online, keeping your digital data organized and protected. Thank you for attending this good cyber stewardship lesson, brought to you by Big Sky Quantum Shield, where we are safeguarding human identity and enabling logical defense. Stay vigilant